So yes, we have a positive response from PhilHealth after we talk with the President and the Vice President. So nasaya at met apo ta timulong dahil si Gida with our plea for them to pay our PhilHealth remittances para po makapagsweldo yung mga empleyado natin. So for the past last week we have 1 million, almost 1 million na payment from PhilHealth, and now this today lang po mayroon tayong 1.2 million na payment from PhilHealth. That is around double or triple the usual amount that we usually receive from PhilHealth every Wednesday po. So ang remittances kasi nila every Wednesday. So if this will always be like, it will always be like this, we pray and hope na ganito nga until we will be able to pay our empleyados our utang. We are now 3.5 months delayed. Kung may bibigay po yung sweldo today, this week may bibigay po yung 1 month sweldo. So we will talk about the next 3 months pa or 2.5 months pa. There's no, we cannot say the figures yet because we are still reconciling kasi adoti data nga kailangan mi nga pag dutumparin so that we will have the exact amount. But now we don't have that exact amount. So we will clean, we will look into our data, their data, kasi mayroon mga discrepancies that we can see. So we hope that we will be able to verify all this data so that we can have the exact amount para alam din natin kung ano yung ano. So that would happen for the next 2 weeks siguro na maaayos yung mga data natin para maibigay din natin yung ano. So of course, kahit po mayroon tayong data na ibibigay sa kanila, they will also again reconcile it also with data, with their data. So medyo hindi naman matagal, pero at least we will be able to do it in the next few weeks siguro pa.
Sana pati yung hazard pay?
Yes po. Yung hazard pay po kasi will remain as payable po. It will still be there in our payables to our empleyado. But I think we should, we are more geared to be giving muna our salaries po.
Naipasar ka dito Magna Carta for Health Workers.
Yes po, we have our tranches naman po sa ating standardization law. Salary standardization.
Galing sa health, ma-accommodate na po ba natin lahat yung mga sweldo ng empleyado?
Hopefully, yes. Hopefully, yes. Pero of course, even the PhilHealth a while ago, they claim naman din na hindi rin naman nila maibibigay yung salary po, ay yung payment nila it will be still in a staggered manner po. So hindi po biglaan din kasi they also have other hospitals to pay rin po. This will be always the affected employees will be the permanent employees, but that's 93.